Hey, Nicole from Tax Wars here. I'm just coming to you with another IRS update. This one is specifically for the truckers. So the title is IRS. Truckers need to file by August 31st deadline. E-file is encouraged. So this is in regards specifically to Form 2290. This was published on August 8th, 2022. So we are getting really close to the deadline here, but this is just a little reminder. So the Internal Revenue Service today is reminding those who have registered or are required to register large trucks and buses that it's time to file the Form 2290 Heavy Highway Vehicle Use Tax Return. The IRS strongly encourages using e-file and filing before the payment deadline of August 31st, 2022 for vehicles that were first used in July 2022. So this is only specifically for vehicles that were used in July 2022 or put into business use July 2022. So truckers that have a highway motor vehicle with taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more registered in their name must file Form 2290 and pay the tax. However, on vehicles they expect to use for 5,000 miles or less, and then if this is a vehicle that's used for farming, then it'd be 7,500 miles or less, then they're required to file a return, but they don't have to pay any tax on that. If the vehicle exceeds the mileage use limit during the tax period, the tax then becomes due. The filing deadline is not tied to the vehicle registration date. Taxpayers must file Form 2290 by the last day of the month following the month in which the taxpayer first used the vehicle on a public highway during the taxable period, regardless of the vehicle's registration renewal date. So basically all that is saying is that the Form 2290 is due on the last day of the month that follows the month that you put your truck into business use. So vehicles first used on a public highway during the month of July 2022 must file Form 2290 and pay the appropriate tax between July 1st and August 31st. Any additional taxable vehicles placed on the road during any month other than July should be prorated for the months during which it was in service. The IRS does offer a table to help determine this. It is on the IRS website, so we can go ahead and include that link so you can access that. Basically, this would also mean that if you just started driving a truck in August, you put your truck onto the road for business use in August this month, then you will need to file and pay your 2290 by the end of September. So just keep that in mind. And then the table to determine these filing deadlines is on the IRS website as well. So we'll give you access to that. So the IRS does have a lot of information for truckers on their website. The 2290 forms can be found on the website, but once again, IRS is encouraging you to e-file these tax returns. So there are a lot of smaller places that offer this service where you could just file online if it's something simple and you just have one truck. You really just have to have the vehicle identification number, that VIN number, in order to file the tax return. Just indicate which truck this is for, and then you can file that very easily online, or you can contact a tax professional to help you with that. And all of you tax professionals, if you have any trucker clients, then just remind them or make sure that they are keeping up with the 2290 forms. You definitely don't want to get behind on filing those or paying those, as that could be very risky to your trucking business. So that's pretty much it for this. As always, just hit that subscribe and like button below. Feel free to input any comments below on anything that you have any questions about the 2290 or any needs for any truckers there that need help filing their taxes. All right, thanks and have a great night.